As we step into the month of May, there is so much to celebrate and even more to reflect on. May is Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, a time to honor the vibrant stories, journeys, and contributions that have helped shape the beautiful tapestry of America. Among these journeys are the powerful stories of Vietnamese refugees who, fleeing by boat, sought freedom and opportunity, gifts that continue to be cherished by generations today. In America, where cultures, races, beliefs, and languages intertwine, what truly holds communities together is unshakable belief in human dignity and a deep respect for one another's journeys. May is also a time to celebrate Mother's Day, a day to honor the unconditional love, the sacrifices, and strength of mothers everywhere. And beyond our own families, May reminds us to honor our greater mother, Mother Earth, who sustains all life. The sacred bond between a mother and a child reflects the sacred relationships humanity shares with the earth, a relationship built on nurturing, protecting, and cherishing. As we celebrate May, let us remember to live in grace, practicing gratitude for the mothers who gave us life, for the earth that nurtures us, and for the resilience of those who sought freedom and built vibrant communities. Practicing respect for our own journeys, for the stories of others, and for the fragile beauty of the world around us. Taking accountability for the role each of us plays in creating positive changes. Embracing courage to act differently, to stand for what is right even when it is difficult, and building engagement by connecting deeply with ourselves, with others, and with Mother Earth to help preserve the life we are blessed to share. It all starts with living in grace. This May, let's celebrate not just heritage, not just motherhood, but life itself. Wishing everyone a month full of gratitude, joy, and meaningful connections.